In this video, I'll show you how to get to your classroom. You'll come in through the front doors. The health and safety screener table will be right at the front of the Commons. You'll take a left. Restrooms are here on your right. This is the 7th grade hall, and this is the 6th grade hall. If you are in section 604, you'll be in this first classroom on the left, which is 103. If you are in section 603, you'll be in the next classroom here, 104. If you are in, oops, sorry. It's like a video game. Eek. If you are in 602, you'll be in room 105, which is here. Doesn't want to let me go down here. And then if you are in 601, you'll be in room 106, which is here at the end of the hall. The teacher's office is here. And this room will not be used as a classroom.